Now call the priest and ask him for an auspicious time. Yeah?
I will call the priest right away.
Yeah.
I do not want to listen to you. I listened to you today, and you see what happened?
If this Gungun keeps speaking the truth like this, none of our plans are going to succeed.
Now I will think about myself and think about my daughter, that's all. I will start a new life with my wife and a mom to my daughter.
I won't let this wedding take place. Did you get it?
Mohan will surely get married again. But you won't be able to wear vermilion in Mohan's name.
But in case of Gungun, you have shown me a ray of hope. Thank you for that.
Today Mohan had come to thank her. Tomorrow he will get a wedding chain and vermilion on her.
Oh Lord Krishna, what kind of a dilemma is this? I couldn't do what I came here for. And now, it is time to leave. This knot will remind me that I have to make Mohan your friend again. And this knot will remind me that before I leave, I have to ensure that this family always stays happy and peaceful. And this knot will remind me of making the relationship between Mohan and Gungun full of love. You tell me, Lord Krishna, how can I leave until I sort out these relationships? Tell me.
I'm scared of talking to my daughter the way I was scared of my teacher. What do? I have to talk. And she must be angry as well. I will try. Oh.
What? Why are you roaming outside my room?
I want to talk to you,
But I don't want to.
but I want to talk.
Oh, hello. Where?
Look, Gungun, I know you are angry as I am going to...
Angry? I am very happy. Now it's Damini's turn.
Look, Gungun, Damini will be a good mother. Give her a chance at
I'm
least.
bored of hearing this. Radha says the same thing, you know? And I'm telling you for the last time. Damini can't be my mom. She is my mom. And she'll always be my mom.
Look, I know. She will always be your mother. No one can take her place. But right now, your mom is not here, dear. Don't you want a mother to take care of you and love you? That's why I'm getting married. You will get a mother, we will have a new family, and we will be very happy. I will get married if you say yes.
What if I say no?
Answer her, Mohan. If your daughter does not want you to marry Damini, will you still get married to her? Tell her.
Tell me, what if I say no for the wedding?
Your word has no value in this family. Mohan said he will call off the wedding. It was easy for you to say that you cannot ever go against Mohan. Tomorrow, Mohan will again forge a relation. Again he will break it. Again he will make it. Again he will break it. I cannot stake my daughter's future like this.
Gungun, I still have to marry her. Damini has been waiting for this marriage all her life, and I promised her yesterday. Now I can't say no to this wedding, Gungun. Look, I cannot break my promise. You did the right thing yesterday. Now it's my turn.
Your decision is wrong, Mohan. Even a small child like her can understand that Damini is wrong. And you still trust her even though she does not deserve it at all. Why, Mohan?
Gungun, I promise you that Damini...
If you have already decided that you are going to marry Damini, why did you come here to bore me, Mohan? Get out of here.
Gungun, listen to me. I came here to tell you that...
I don't want to listen to you. I know that all elders are cheaters. Now go away from here.
Even though out of anger, you at least held my hand, Gungun.
Damini won't go anywhere. At least that foolish Radha should leave. All this happened because of Radha.
Gungun, Radha is the only one who understands you in this house. I wish she finds a reason to live in this house forever.
Sister Damini has told to do so. And she cares about dad, grandma and me as well. So I have to go. But you take care that wedding goes off without a hitch, okay? I would have done many things. I would have sung a lot of songs, decorated the house and... I would have made laddus. Laddu, Lord Krishna. It is important to make them for the bride and groom, right? I have some time. I will go and quickly prepare some laddus. Okay? I'll be right back.
Look at her attitude. If you're getting married, why are you boring me? She's my daughter. Of course, she behaves like me. But if I'm convinced, she will be convinced as well. I have to do something before that.
Radha?
Yes,
You are still here only? Should I find an auspicious time for your departure?
What happened, Radha? The driver is waiting outside with the car. Why are you not ready yet?
I just need some time. We feed Gond laddus to the bride and the groom in our village. It is a custom. It is said that this helps start a happy married life. So I thought of making Gond laddus for you and Mohan. And Gungun is also angry with me. I will make some mawa laddus for her as well. It might help her get rid of the bitterness she has for me.
Radha, in this Vrindavan we have many sweet shops. You just go and...
Mom, let her prepare them.
What?
She's making them so lovingly. No problem, Radha. Prepare the laddus quickly. And then you just leave. The driver is waiting.
Okay, sister.
Okay, make.
You also have them.
Sure, for the meanwhile I'll take this.
Yes, take some.
Let me take almonds.
Mom.
We'll come again, dear.
Okay.
Why did you say that, foolish? The more time she gets, the more ideas she will get, foolish girl.
It is her last task. Let her do it. She should not feel that we are making her leave the house. Besides, what will happen in half an hour?
Eat almonds, they will make you sharp.
Lord Krishna, it smells and looks so nice. I'll do one thing. First, I will offer some to Lord Krishna, and then I will keep the rest in a box and keep it in Mohan and Damini's room. What are you searching for?
Ouch!
Mohan! I'm sorry. You are badly hurt. Mohan! Oh no! Mohan,
Yeah,
please keep your leg down.
I would rather keep it on your head. You accident prone?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Are you alright, Mohan?
yeah, I am all right. My leg is fine.
Mohan,
Yeah.
what are you looking for in the rasoi?
Tell me, are you a cop?
No.
Why are you inquiring as to what I'm looking for? I'm teaching you English, right?
Yes.
What is rasoi? Say kitchen. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
What kind of a name is this? It sounds like people argue here. Rasoi sounds so good. It adds sweetness to the food and family. For me, rasoi will do. You should call it rasoi as well.
Kitchen.
Kitchen, not kitchen.
Okay, I agree with you. Rasoi sounds good, so from today I will call it rasoi.
Okay. Anyway, Mohan, what were you searching for?
Mushrooms. Small umbrellas.
Oh,
What is it? I have to throw it out because from today onwards we will not use or buy them.
hey, don't worry about it. I
Yeah?
gave them all to Damru yesterday so that he could take them home.
Very good. I will take your leave.
Where is the box?
Tell me one thing.
Yes?
Why didn't you come to study yesterday?
Some things should be done according to one's age. You are too old to learn English.
And what are you doing in the kitchen? I mean, what are you doing in the rasoi?
Actually, I was preparing laddus.
Laddus. This is all you can do. Oh my Lord Krishna, oh my Gita, my laddu, you will remain a fool forever. Why don't you pay attention to your studies? Tell?
Actually, Mohan, today
Simple, but you are actually a drama queen. No studies, only excuses. Gungun did the same as a kid when she didn't want to study. Like, Dad, I have a stomachache. Dad, I want to use the toilet.
But
Dad.
Mohan, I'm not making any excuses. I am saying that today.
If you're
I
not making
am-
excuses, what are you making? Laddus. Bring your books, we will start studying.
But I cannot study today, Mohan.
Why can't you study? Are you planning to take a degree in making laddus? So, I asked you to bring your books. We will start your English class.
Mohan,
Yeah.
English.
Wow. Say it once more.
English.
You won't make the mistake again, right?
No.
Because of you, I started saying English. Come on, let's start our English class.
But
Come on.
Mohan,
Where are your books?
my books.
They must be in the cupboard. Where is the cupboard? Where is the stuff?
My stuff is in the bag.
In this bag.
Yes. Actually, Dulari keeps her things in the cupboard. As I have a few clothes, I keep them in the bag.
Is this Dulari's room?
Yes, this is Dulari's room.
I never knew it. Pick up your luggage and take your Lord Krishna with you. And come with me.
But why? What mistake did I make now, Lord Krishna?
Mom? Damini! Mom!
This Mohan? Why is he carrying Radha's luggage? Is he going to drop her to Barsana? Tell? Oh gosh! I hope he doesn't carry her in her arms again.
I don't have a problem if he carries her in his arm if he is going to drop her home. I don't have any problem with it.
Mohan? What's the matter,
We have
dear?
made a big mistake since many days, Mom.
Now what? Are you going to say no to the wedding, Mohan?
What mistake?
You know what kind of people we are? We are very mean people. We only think about our profits and nothing else.
What do you mean, Mohan?
Mom, we don't even know that Radha is living with Dulari.
I know that. I was the one who asked her to live with Dulari. What is the matter?
She works so much. She does all the chores of the house. She cooks meals, irons everyone's clothes. That too of her own accord. She doesn't need to do all this. She does it considering us as her family. If she considers us her family, shouldn't we treat her like a family and do our duty? Mom, if we live comfortably in our rooms, why not Radha?
In fact, I always keep telling Radha, if there is something I can help with, please tell me. I'll do it for her. If I don't do it, who else will do it? But no, she doesn't want to tell me. Everything she wants to do herself.
And she does everything all by herself. She saved Gungun's life twice. She saved my life once.
And saved me twice as well.
We didn't even give her any respect.
Actually, you are absolutely correct, Mohan.
Mom, from today onwards, Radha won't stay with Dulari. Mom, but from today she will stay in the guest room.
This is a big trouble. Radha will now settle permanently in this house. Do something, Damini.
But Mohan, Radha is leaving today.
What do you mean by that? Where? Why?
She's missing her dad and grandma a lot, and she has been living here for a long time.
That's not a problem. I will call his dad and grandma here. They can stay here with us.
Of course, this is not a house but a hotel.
But Mohan,
I will tell him about it. And he will be so busy with the wedding preparations that he won't even realize that you are not here at all.
Mohan doesn't just remember everything. But he will also be affected by my absence. And he cares about me.
But
Damini,
Mohan-
Radha won't go anywhere. And Dulari, from today, Radha will live in the guest room and not with you.
See for yourself. I had told you. that Radha came here as a guest, but will stick with us like family. Just see, ma'am is getting a new room.
Oh, no, no, Mohan. I am fine in Dulari's room. You showed your concern. That's enough for me. And anyway, we are poor people. Big rooms are not meant for us, Mohan.
Are you done?
Yes.
Don't you have anything more to say?
No.
Wipe away your tears or drink them. Poor people. Why do you say that? Radha, do you even know your value? You saved my Gungun's life. It is said that a guest is another form of God. I don't have any expectations from God. But Radha, whatever you did for me, even God couldn't have done that.
Oh, Lord Krishna. Don't say that, Mohan.
Okay, I won't. You don't say such things either.
I won't say anything.
For the first time in many years, you've done something good, Mohan. Radha's stature is much higher than those living in this house.
Okay, then come on. I will show you the room and start teaching you English. Come.
I
Now what?
won't be able to study.
Has your eyesight or mind got damaged?
Nothing has happened.
Well, what?
My books are with Sister Damini.
Why?
As Radha was going back home, I took her books back from her. They are Gungun's books. And I know that very well. You take good care of Gungun's belongings, Mohan. I thought of returning them to you later.
Okay, you please give them back to her. Because it will be useful for her as she is studying.
You wanted to throw Radha out of the house. Now the tables have turned. Do you know why Radha won? Because she doesn't conspire like you, Damini. She always tells the truth.
Radha, please forgive me. I made a mistake.
No, Aunt. Why are you asking for forgiveness? I am like your daughter, right? Mothers don't apologize from children.
Just see, here are your books, Radha.
Now you have made a place in this house. Now you are a part of this family. Tell your dad and grandma that you are not coming back home.
Can we go now? I will show you the guest room. Come on.
Why are you carrying the luggage? Give it to me.
It is not a problem.
What are you doing, Mohan? Please give me the bag. I will hold it.
Radha, first you take care of your Lord Krishna and all your books. Don't worry about the bag.
all about time, Damini. In Radha, you discovered an opportunity to make friends with Gungun. And today I found an opportunity in Radha to defeat you.
Why did you keep staring? You either stare or cry.
No, no.
Come, I will show you the room. Come with me.
Mohan,
Yeah,
Mohan, how will I stay alone in that room?
you keep moving. You will stay just like others.
But I have never stayed alone. Even in Barsana, I used to stay with everyone. There, no one had a separate room like this.
What? You mean you never had your own room in entire life?
No.
What? It must be difficult to stay with everyone in one room.
Difficult? I enjoy it a lot, Mohan. Staying in one room with everyone is quite fun. If you want to say something, say it in front of everyone. You don't need to knock on doors like neighbors do. If anyone falls sick at night, everyone knows even before telling them. Too many rooms often divide the family, Mohan.
You started preaching again.
It's not like that.
When you go back home after the wedding, you can live the way you want to. For now, stay in your room.
But Mohan, how will I stay alone? I am scared.
First of all, my name is Mohan. Why do you call me Mohan?
Mohan.
Yeah.
Mohan.
Scared. If little Gungun can stay alone, why can't you?
Yes. Gungun. You just wait 1 minute. I'm coming. Gungun.
Looks like she has filled stones in her bag.
Gungun. Gungun.
What is it?
Mohan told me to live in the guest room.
Then go ahead. Live. Are you here to take the keys from me?
Hey, no, Gungun. I'm not here to take the keys. I feel scared when I'm alone. I have never stayed alone. So, can I stay with you in your room?
No.
Please agree, Gungun. I will not trouble you or touch your things. I will stay in a corner in a small space, please.
I told you, no means no.
But why?
Because you are teaching me all the good things and spoiling me. You are making me a good girl. And I don't want to become that. I am happy being the bad girl.
She will not improve. Shall we? Let's go.
I think this Radha is not taking away your Mohan, but your future wrapped in that cloth. Why are you looking like that at me? What I mean to say is, this short-stated witch has enraptured the whole house. Now you only see. Mohan took her from Dulari's room to guest house. I should not say that. What if tomorrow he takes her to the bedroom?
Whose side are you on, Mom? Mine or hers? Do you find this funny?
My daughter, I'm always on your side, dear. I am just warning you that this two-footed witch Radha, you better put a leash on her. Otherwise, she can spoil your future.
What do you want me to do?
Now you're asking what to do. When I say something, you don't listen to me. I already advised you not to allow her to make the laddus. Why did you make her do? Now see, you have become a big laddu.
What could I have done, Mom? Could I throw her out of the house in front of everyone? Tell me. What would I have told Mohan? At least I'm thinking of something. You are only rubbing salt into my wounds.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, what are you going to do next?
Yes, come here right away.
Whom are you calling?
There is only one way, Mom. This wedding should happen at the earliest.
Did you ever imagine we would have to witness all this? Mohan's second wedding.
Radha? Radha, you're whiling away your time here. I told you to write something 10 times. Did you?
Hey, Mohan,
Yeah.
have a look. There are such pretty invitations for your wedding. You have to choose one of these.
Go, show it to him. Take this as well.
Mohan, how are these designs? I like this one.
You take this one, and this one too. And choose a card. You won't find prettier. India's #1 publisher, and if we print the details on leaves, people will say we spend all the money on catering and decoration, and we didn't have money to get invitation cards printed.
Mr. Number One Publisher, your love is not based on the wedding invite being fancy. And yes, if you really want to make a glamorous wedding invite, then I think do it at your next wedding.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, last, I will marry only you. Got it?
Help! Ah, fire! Mohan!
What is all this?
Mohan! What is this behavior, son?
Sorry, Mom, but what is the need to do all these things? We can get married privately, then why to invite guests? This is not my first wedding.
Mohan?
But it is my first wedding.
Yes, I understand, but what is the need to make it so glamorous, Tulsi?
Mohan, you said that you hate me a lot, right? That you have forgotten me. Then how did you take my name today?
Sorry, Damini. But we can get married without all this, right? We can.
Mo...
Oh gosh! This is not what I expected. He only tells not to mention her. And he himself is mentioning her always. He doesn't even remember my daughter's name, Damini.
Sister Damini? Sister Damini?
Please calm down.
See, she got upset.
Sister Damini?
Why is she going behind her?
Sister, please calm down. Calm down.
Tulsi is still here even after her death.
Sister Damini, I understand that you are hurt.
Not at all. My fiancé called me by his first wife's name. That's all. Nothing else.
Please don't be upset, sister. Please think about Mohan as well. He loved his wife Tulsi so much.
Radha, shut up or else I will break your face.
Now that he is marrying again, it's obvious that he will remember Tulsi. I I'm sure he didn't intend to hurt you.
I must control myself.
He's not like that. I know him, Sister Damini.
I understand Mohan very well. He has not been able to forget Tulsi. He hasn't been able to get over the pain of losing her. There's that photo. Tulsi's photo in Mohan's room reminds him of that pain always. I wish I could remove that photo, but I can't muster the courage. Radha, can you do it? Can you remove Tulsi's photo from Mohan's room? Once that photo is gone, his pain will also go away.
But it will also take away all his memories. The slivers of memories that Mohan shared with his wife Tulsi, all that will be gone. Tulsi was also a part of Mohan's life at some point. If the photo is gone, so will her part. Mohan will become incomplete.
But new can come only once the old is discarded.
But sister, the photo also means something. Only Mohan should have the right to decide that where to put it, right?
If someone is making wrong decisions for themselves, should we allow them to do so or stop them, Radha? Radha, do you want that Mohan to stay at his now? Or do you want him to be like his old self?
If this is the only way to bring back the old Mohan, if this is the only way to lessen his pain, if this is the only way to bring back his happiness, then sister, I will remove that photo. I will remove it.
What did you say, Radha? That you know Mohan well. Today you will realize that how much you actually know him and how much you are yet to know about him.
Please forgive me, Tulsi. I'm feeling really bad about removing your photo.
We had discussed. This photo will not go anywhere.
But Radha was saying that keeping the dead wife's bridal dress is like a curse on the second marriage, Mohan.
This is my mom's home. All of my mom's belongings will stay here.
Burning the body counts as final rites. It is said that the soul can attain peace after that.
Gungun, please listen to me.
You know very well I used Radha to get close to Gungun. Now I will use Gungun to throw Radha out of this house.